Hey there! Today I'm showing you the improvements that we did on the feedback part of Veertly, where organizers can get the feedback from their events. So attendees have two options to provide feedback. The first one is if they go to the help section, they can share the feedback with the organizers and with the platform. Another option is by leaving the event. So we've moved the leave event from the avatar menu to the top so that it's more visible for participants and that they can easily leave the event and provide feedback. So if you click there, you leave the event and you go directly to the feedback page. On the feedback page, this is as before, you can provide feedback for the event, next event, and you can provide feedback for the platform. Let's just move it here so that you can see that the average is not 5, and then nice tool, and you submit the feedback. The feedback is submitted, and you can also edit your feedback if you did any mistake, and you just submit it again, and you're good. Now for what we improved is on the organizer side, that they can now see the feedback of their participants directly here on the dashboard. So you can see that they can see the average of the votes only for the event part. But if you want to see all the details, you can download the feedbacks from the organizers, from the platform, and you can see that on this event there are two feedbacks. You can see the organizer rating, the feedback that was provided to the organizer, to the event, the rating that the attendee gave to the platform, as well as a particular comment for this platform. So we really hope that this allows you to analyze and improve your events, and just let us know what else you'd like to see here on the dashboard. We are more than happy to edit it because we truly believe that it's by analyzing the data and what people tell about what we are doing that we can really improve our platform, and the same thing to you on your event. Hope you have a good day, and thank you very much for keeping following Veertly.